Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the TRX Kettlebell. So let's go ahead and unpack it. So in this clear plastic bag is a TRX Kettlebell with a 6 kilogram weight. Let's go ahead and lift the kettlebell out from its clear plastic bag. And we can set that to the side and giving you a look at the kettlebell. So it's just giving you a look at the various aspects of this TRX kettlebell. As you can see, it is in a fully blacked out finish, and it is gravity cast molded. And that helps with the durability and balance of the kettlebell. And giving you a look up close, we can see 6 kilograms and the 13.2 pounds indication at the front of the kettlebell, and on the reverse side we can see the TRX branding. And giving you some close-up looks at the handle. Right there you can see it does have a slightly gritty texture, but overall that gritty texture carries throughout the design of the kettlebell. And taking a look at the underside, we can see that it is completely flat and circular. And just giving you a much closer in look at the texture, and just running my finger along the surface and giving you some sense of its construction. And of course, to give you some sense of the size of this kettlebell, resting it in my hand or palm, and in both hands, this 6 kilogram TRX kettlebell. And of course the grip, it does have an ergonomic grip. So just resting the kettlebell down on the tabletop and just slipping my hand through to give you some sense of the width and grip of the kettlebell's handle. And giving you a look at this TRX kettlebell from this perspective, and much closer in looks at the very fine detail of the texturing and branding of this TRX kettlebell. And we can see that the weight indication side does have a little flat surface, as opposed to the TRX side, which is completely rounded. So just giving you, once again, a complete and total look at this TRX kettlebell in the 6 kilogram or 13.2 pounds weight. And once again, taking a full look at the grip of the handle. So textured right across the entire handle with that matte overall finish. So that's the TRX kettlebell. Thanks for watching and happy training!